Hello dear students, now let us see the 20 multiple choice questions on the chapter Heat from Science and Technology part 1st. The first question is that if pressure increases, melting point of the substance dash dash. Option A decreases, B increases and C no change. The option B is the correct answer. If pressure increases, melting point of the substance increases. Question number second. Temperature during transition of substance dash dash. Option A decreases, B option increases, C remain constant and D becomes zero. The option C is the correct answer. Temperature during transition of substance remain constant. Question number third. The size of ice when it melts dash dash. Option A will increases initially, then decreases. B will decrease. C it will remain the same. And D will increases. Correct answer is that option B. The size of ice when melts will decreases. Question number 4. The specific latent heat of ice is dash dash. Option A 80 calorie per gram, B 800 calorie per gram, C 540 calorie per gram and D 54 calorie per gram. The correct answer is that option A 80 calorie per gram is the specific latent heat of ice. Question number 5. If temperature of water increases up to boiling point dash dash. Option A water remains in liquid state, B water remains in the gaseous state, C water remains in liquid and gaseous state and D water evaporates. Correct answer is that option C water remains in liquid and gaseous state. Question number 6. When water boils and convert into vapor, then dash dash. A option heat is absorbed and the temperature remains constant. B option heat is absorbed and the temperature increases. C option the heat is released and the temperature decreases. And D the heat is released and the temperature increases. Correct answer is that option A heat is absorbed and the temperature remains constant. Question number 7. When vapor convert into water, then option A heat is released and the temperature decreases. B option heat is absorbed and the temperature remains constant. C option heat is not absorbed and the temperature decreases. And D heat is released and the temperature remains constant. The correct option is that option D heat is released and the temperature remains constant. Question number 8. Which of the following is an appropriate observation while undergoing regulation? Option A. Melting point of ice decreases due to pressure and restore as it is when pressure removed. Option B. Melting point of ice increases due to pressure and decreases when pressure is removed. Option C. Due to thin wire, ice divided into two pieces. And D option, whole ice converted into water. The correct option is that option A, melting point of ice decreases due to pressure and restore as it is when pressure removed. Question number 9. An example of dash dash is when an ice ball is formed when grated fine ice is pressed in the hand. Option A melting, B regulation, C condensation and D freezing. The correct answer is option B regulation. Question number 10. If temperature of water decreases from 4 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius, then its dash dash. A option the volume decreases and the density increases. B the volume increases and the density decreases. C option the volume decreases and the density decreases. And D option the volume increases and the density increases. The correct option is that option B the volume increases and the density decreases. Question number 11. The density of water at 4 degrees Celsius temperature is dash dash. Option A 10 gram per centimeter cube. B option 4 into 10 cube kilogram per meter cube. C 1 into 10 cube kilogram per meter cube. And D 4 gram per centimeter cube. Correct answer is option C 1 into 10 cube kilogram per meter cube. Question number 12. What will you observe during study of anomalous behavior of water using Hope's apparatus? A option, melting point of ice decreases due to pressure. B option, density of water is highest at 4 degrees Celsius. C, density of water is highest at 0 degrees Celsius. And D, water is bad conductor of heat. Correct option is that density of water is highest at 4 degrees Celsius. Question number 13. In the experiment of anomalous behavior of water, the freezing mixture contains dash dash and dash dash substance. A option, ice and water. B, ammonia and salt. C, ice and salt. D, only ice. The correct answer is option C, ice and salt. Question number 14. In regions with cold climate, the aquatic plants and animals can survive even when the atmospheric temperature goes below 0 degrees Celsius because of A. Ice floating on water is bad conductor. B. The heat of water under ice cannot go into the atmosphere. C. Due to anomalous behavior of water. And D. All the above options are correct. The correct answer is option D. All the above options are correct. Question number 15. The unit of specific heat of capacity is option A kilocalorie, B joule per kilo degree Celsius, C option calorie per gram degree Celsius, D calorie. Correct option is option B joule per kilo degree Celsius. Question number 16. The specific heat capacity of water in CGS unit is dash dash. Option A 10 calorie per gram degree Celsius. B option 1 calorie per gram degree Celsius. C option 1 calorie per gram degree Celsius. And D option 1 joule per kilogram degree Celsius. The correct option is option 1 calorie per gram degree Celsius. Question number 17. The amount of heat required to increase the temperature of 1 kilogram of water from 14.5 degrees Celsius to 15.5 degrees Celsius is dash dash. Option A 4180 joule, B 1 kilocalorie, C 10 calorie, and D 1 calorie. Correct answer is option B 1 kilocalorie. Question number 18. Relative humidity to dew point temperature is dash dash. Option A 100%, B 60%, C 14.5%, D less than 60%. Correct answer is option A 100%. Question number 19. The white band in the sky is visible for a long time while the plane is flying because option A relative humidity of air is low, B relative humidity of air is high, C relative humidity is constantly changing, and D relative humidity is 0. Correct answer is option B relative humidity of air is high. And last question, question number 20. Which of the following is the principle of heat exchange? Option A heat lost by a hot object plus heat absorbed by a cold object. Option B heat lost by a hot object is less than heat absorbed by cold object. C option heat lost by hot object is equal to heat absorbed by cold object. And D option heat lost by hot object minus heat absorbed by cold objects. Correct answer is option C heat lost by hot object is equal to heat absorbed by cold object. In this way we have learned 20 questions of the chapter heat. I hope that these 20 questions are helpful for your exam. Thank you.